welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix today we have Marcia. And Marcia is out and about and she's speaking about Erica. She had this message that she had to send to Erica. So go ahead and go catch the message. Hear what she has to say. Like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so when I post you know about it. For all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays today, happy birthday! And I wish you everything that is nice and everything that your hearts desire this year. And for all my other lovelies, my supporters, my friends, my followers, my subscribers, do have yourself a wonderful and peaceful day today.
And my brother used to talk up to you or whatever, meet you in that Spring Valley and all them sort of something. When you used to come from me, have the same last name, and I know your family where you come from, me, your cousin, straight up, and this ain't no joke. But Barris need to retire. Barris is not well to perform when he used to perform back in the days. Barris for retire now. From me know Barris not at work. So Barris supposed to have enough money to sustain him in a Jamaican dollars. So Barris don't need to be working. So, Barris don't have the touch again. And the energy. And so I want to make sure that I see one of Jamaican legend perform. Yes, my dear. For no long time, because him need to retire. And who want Bex and who don't want please. I love Barry Salmon. Barry Salmon is the best. But Barry needs to retire now. I just need to do weddings and small things. And can't manage a big show them. Me hear somebody say they got Barry show Atlanta. And they say Barry could have barely go. I want to time I sit down. So why is it that the promoter them push him to do all them type of something there? So what they want the man to do? Deadpan stage want them there on a serious level. Yes, my dear. So that's why me want to go see Barris. Cause long time I not see him. So if me I got USB arena, I want somebody me I go there for. Barris a man. I want Barris a man. Hold on there. If certain artists are could do that, that means I get guest pass. I'm gonna make 2 phone calls tomorrow. If certain artists are could do that, that means I can be a guest on the list. I'm gonna call them and make sure my name up on the list. That is definitely a must. I don't have to buy one RAS ticket. I have some link up there. Some connection. If certain artists depend on that, when me know well, and management team, I don't have to buy one RAS ticket. I will be right on the guest list. Yes, my dear. So let me make some phone call tomorrow. And make sure say my name is on the guest list. I don't have to buy no ticket if certain artists are there. I just not realize the backside. But then again too. Then again too. If me I go with people that could look good. If me I go with my friends them that could look good, I'm gonna left my friend them and go on different places and them there different places. That don't make no sense. That don't make no sense at all. That don't make no sense. I'm gonna left my friend them. And me gone on one side and them the other side. No, that not gonna look right. But anyway, we see how it go. I will see how it goes. Yes, my dear. So I want to take in that show. Them have some good show. I come back with into the now. You see Hartford now go out with nothing right now. Now go out with nothing. And New York City happen. So I will see. And who else is coming up with Black and White affair? Ricky Genius. New York City big DJ will be playing at my party. Big up to Ras Movement. He played the last time. But I don't want to have the same DJ them all the time. And every time I keep something, I'm going to have a different DJ. I know Ricky Genius long time. You understand? So every time I do something, I get a different DJ. So that's why I'm not going back for the same DJ. I'm going to go back for everything. When it comes to artists, no, I'm not having no artist there. Last time we had the Angel because it was my 50th. But this one is just a party. This is just a regular enjoyment, celebration of life. My birthday is going to be in February, the end of February. And through it a fall pan during the week. Alright, let me keep it 8. Well, I hope the weather keep up to backside and see what it is. Yeah, man. So come and make sure to bring a friend. Tell a friend and bring a friend and come invite a friend. And bring some man with you too. Too much woman. Don't want like a man in the house. So make sure to bring a man with you. And make sure to dress him nicely. So a man no like to dress up in a sitting. No jeans and no sneakers allowed. Strictly jacket suit. So if you have to go rent one, go rent one. Strictly jacket suit, black and white. Black and white or black. Strictly knife, jacket suit, and felt hat. Please to come into the costume. We want to see the man them in some nice felt hat. No should have glad for wear felt hat. Felt hat is nice. And then can carry them fake cigar or them real cigar in a them hand, but them not allowed to smoke. There's no smoking. So remember that. You can go and get yourself a nice white jacket and get the white jacket with the black collar come down in at the front. That will look nice. That is what old time jacket is still like. When you have those nice tuxedo jacket and you have the full white. Well, when you go on my page on social media, I will be sending out clothes just to give you the idea. You understand the outfit. Me going to put out outfit and picture and said, this is what I expect you guys to wear to my gala. The whole shebang. You know, say I don't know which website. Anybody know which website for take off a party? Me have to call what's his name. The cameraman take some pictures with me now. I want my picture to go up on my flyers. So me have to go find out. Me never take the cameraman phone number for when he take me picture day and night. Those pictures supposed to come out nice. Me not like a professional camera take me. Me want to know which part me can go see it. Because me want picture them. Me go find out. Me go call somebody tomorrow we know and see if me can go find the pictures them to the black and white something. See if me can get off those pictures. Because he took like about 5-6 pictures with me. So I want to see them. Them supposed to look nice. Me not lie. Because I sure was posing out Ross. Why do I decide to chew gum in hours a night, yeah? Huh? You tell me now. All on the people. Me have to go pee because I go drink. I go drink coconut juice. Hold on, water. What time is it? 12:23. I'm a bit late tonight. Because it's a ratty candy crusher. Let me go pee pee. It's not good to go to bed with pee pee. No good. No, you. Not good at all. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Let it go. Anyway, folks, me not turn long with you know. You understand me? Just come to bless you up. Let me know the I and I is still here. And what is due to Caesar, Caesar will get in due time. You understand? So, I am going to go because I have to get some sleep. Sleeping is very important. As we get older, sleeping is very important. And not depend on social media for watch. Not a damn thing. All depend is peer highlight with Freedom Street and negativity and who a cuss who from who not cuss who. You understand? So, it don't make no sense. I see some dirty woman come out here cuss people. And when you look in front of them jaws, them crutches, we're full of sore and blacky and dirty. You know shame. Dirty girl, you know shame. You know shame for come out here call people who no beard. Confession is good for the soul. You always come out here talk about me no beard. Now you talk for your beard today, say Jamaican people no beard. Move your blood clot and go from here. You're the only nastiest Jamaican out there with a dirty pussy crotch. Cross the body, open up and black and dirty. Glad somebody have a picture of a fling out that blood clot. We you look nasty blood clot disease, blood clot crotch. And then you come up here and talk about good up pussy crotch. But everybody have black spot on leg. Move your blood clot. Me don't have it. You don't have to have black spot on leg between leg for rub. Your maga, a fat people if you have it. Maga people if you not have it. So if you have black spot on your blood clot leg will look like that. You know, see that a blood clot germs, you need some blood clot penicillin for that bomber clot, bitch. Next time, don't fuck yourself because Satan not going to expose you. Me not have no black spot on my leg. If you moisturize your leg good and put cornstarch on it for summertime, the only time your leg supposed to run if you sweat. Where you supposed to have maga leg, where the blood clot, you do you talk about every woman a black spot. Me not have it. My leg no look not like that. If my leg look like that, that means that my blood clot catch bacteria under my blood clot crotch. So obviously you have bacteria under your blood clot crotch. You come out here cause people. Move your bumbo clot from your blood clot landlord. You me a pussy clot chat, you bitch. With your dirty pussy. But every woman have black spot between them leg. I don't have it. I'm going to make sure in the summertime, me use the doctor powder, the powder, cornstarch powder from Amazon, and you take it and rub between your leg so your leg don't get black spot. You use Vaseline, petroleum jelly Vaseline, and moisturize your skin. You put, if you're a sweaty person, I mean a blood clot sweat. If you're a sweaty person, you take the cornstarch and rub between your leg and you put it under your breasts, especially if your breasts them big. It prone to a black spot or sweat and have some white spot. Me tell you all the time, you have to know to take care of yourself. You buy the cornstarch powder, medicated powder from Amazon in the summertime, or if you're a woman who is constantly sweating. You put it in your hand and duck it under your breasts. And put on your brassiere. You take the cornstarch and rub between your leg so it does not rub between your skin. Move your bumbo clot, a disease you have under your pussy, bitch. Go. You can't chat nobody. And then you come and talk about people no beard. Look how you're dirty. Go take some blood clot, lime and jace and go rub that out. And that you figure do. Me not like you. And me tell you already last night, say, me and your bumbo clot for 2025. Because I not ramp with you. And see the Satan expose you. Just as how me say under your pussy dirty. And when under your pussy dirty, start purge out by your blood clot cranny leg. We're full of parasite. Are you that? So next time you want to come to good up pussy, good clean Marcia, we use good things for our body. You go and bend your head and look under your dirty blood clot pussy and you scale the dirty skin before you step the good pussy, good skin Marcia. Don't fuck yourself with me. Because me ain't no quabs. Water not short for me, might a short for you, but it's not short for me. And be careful when you go in the ocean. To make you get blood clot bone and you need to go. You need some salt water. To soak out the germs out of your dirty pussy, bitch. That's what you need. Don't come after me, because I never send call you. Don't fuck yourself with my picnic, I never send call you either. That's all. And you've been served, you motherfucker. Dirty, stinking, blood clot, Erica landlord that you may talk to. Come cuss me. Come me tell you. Avenge and me a come for your pussy clot for 2025. You must get where you're supposed to get. Pay blood clot, crosses, trials, and tribulation, or take your pussy clot. And your shopping going nowhere. Just as you walk a beg for blood clot, cost me, for build your shop, it's not going to last. Nobody come out here and cost me to get money to build anything. It ain't going to work. You could have fling blood clot, Highland powder. That bomb clot not going to work. It will mash down in no time. And I'm going to make sure it does. I go and fling out some blood clot prior for you. You have to go run to the rescue of the arms of Jesus. Only him alone can save you from having sleepless blood clot night, bitch, when I done with you. That's all. So next time you want to come out here, come talk about good skin and good pussy, Marcia. And who over pussy this and over pussy that, and go and bend over and look under your blood clot, dirty leg. How your leg, how your skin stay so? You have disease, man. Go get some penicillin. So she flirt with her boyfriend, ready to have money, and they go bed with him. Catch disease and you name too much blood clot dick. Then who want to name? Then who could have name your pussy? Then your leg could have turned some man put in on your pussy. It must be a junkin man. That's your love bar. Any woman who see come in a phone and smoke and a pop sit in the background and you know them I have something to worry about. How will you have make you nervous so? You just blood clot nervous. Every time you come in a video, they behind video, pop, click, kind of puff cigarette. Yeah, you have a problem. Go soak in some blood clot J's. Me know you have to soak in some J's, you know. There you beat the dog them with J's. Look like you sleep with your blood clot dog, you give them disease. And you come on social media ramp with Marcia. Fuck you, bitch. You bum clot you. You never know. When you take good up blood clot crutch, Marcia, my phone drop and you look up my drawers, just show underneath my dress. You come and talk about wipe substance. With me nice clean blood clot draw scratch. You come up here, look on your dirty blood clot leg. Between your leg. Then I wish, man, that's why you only take backers. Because you can't do no blood clot foot and shoulder. Huh? You can't open up your pussy and give front way. That's why you only take backers. Ah, I see. That's the only reason why you can't get backers. Because no man want to fuck you from the front. Then I wish man that would have want to fuck from the front and with a moldy pussy like yours, with them that cross the blood clot skin, where you push out them a disease that we have under your blood clot foot. Go suck your man, bitch ass, dirty, stinking landlord. Me hate your blood clot, your pussy clot you. I must dash out that blood clot picture tomorrow. Watch me and you. And